To ideate, create, and build something from the ground is a rewarding experience. The film that you love, the painting on the wall, the music that you listen to, it's all thanks to a team of brilliant minds and experts. And I'm sure you'll agree, this process is where the magic really lies.
Wow. Oh, I love it.
Join me on Mirchi Presents, Curl On Dream Homes with me, Gauri Khan, powered by Bonito Designs and Ace Group, where I will show you what it takes to create timeless spaces for India's top creative minds. Today's guest is someone who has been a part of the entertainment industry for over 20 years. After making stars dance to her steps, she took the helm of directing some of our favorite films. What more, she is as amazing in front of the camera as she is behind it. An artist whose talent knows no bounds, a friend whose love knows no bounds. Today we are going to design for the amazing Farah Khan. Welcome, Farah. Gauri, I can't tell you how much I love designing for friends, and I'm so happy you're here today.
I am so excited that I'm your friend because I'm getting a whole design by Gauri Khan.
I'm too excited.
I'm more excited than you. I'll be living in that room forever.
I'm making notes.
So, but first I want to tell you that what is wrong with that room. I need to show you. I've got you the video. So what has happened is I kept repainting that one wall.
I remember.
It's a blue and now that blue is very outdated.
Yeah.
And the only thing nice is my children's
photos.
Art. No, the art that because I can't afford real art. So I put.
I'll give you my art.
My children's art can go to hell. I'm getting expensive art from college. Yeah, and that one orange carpet which we 12 years ago was very trendy, but now
it's
not.
not.
I don't know, it's looking like the Aladdin ka
Okay,
cave.
so let me make a note, quick note, yeah.
And also now there are just too many colors there, Gauri. So now nobody ends up sitting over there.
So if you had to define the space, what would you say?
It used to be a family room. Now it's a bhangar kachra room. I want it to be, you know, like a parlor, like an intimate room.
So I love the idea of a family room for sure.
Yeah.
So we can
Family
look at
and
it.
friends.
Yeah.
So when we have a casual get together, everyone can come up and 4-5 of us we can.
Yeah, since you have dedicated rooms for all the spaces, like your personal space, your dining, your living.
We need a room where everyone comes out of their bedroom and they meet over here.
Yeah, but firstly, why don't you send me some photos of the space with a video?
I will.
So that will really help us, put together the whole concept and,
This room, I wanted your aesthetic. My whole house is a movie. This Gauri Khan room is an item song in it.
Oh, wow.
So it has to be really like different from
the rest of the house.
I would like a space which is very different from the rest of the house.
We know your concept, we know your idea, and looking forward to it.
I'm very excited to see because Gauri always weaves magic in whatever she does, and now she's doing my room, and I'm like, I can't wait.
Farah and I have been friends since a long time, but our personalities are very different. She's an extrovert and full of energy. And I think that's why our friendship really works. But this family room, maybe it needs a little touch of my personality. It's time to face our challenge head on. This is an interesting project to work on because I'm not just designing a room for Farah, but for her family too. This means that it has to be more than just a space where you sit and watch TV. I'm thinking of board games, brainstorming, relaxing, definitely multifunctional. So the space already has a nice table with chairs for family and friends to sit and bond. I think it just needs little accents, a little bit of polishing, and a whole lot of hard work. We have only 4 days to make this happen. While I always appreciate my clients giving me that liberty and space to work, I need Farah to be more involved. She says she's not sure about the design, but that's understandable. We often lose objectivity when it comes to a deeply personal space like this. We see it every day, we get used to the layout, and it's hard to even realize that it needs a redecoration. So I think just a little push and she will trust herself and her instincts when it comes to designing too. She's already a maker of many things iconic. So why not this room as well?
Go!
Hello! Oh,
How are
lovely.
you?
How are you?
I've got you a gift.
Oh, I'm supposed to give you a gift.
You are already giving me a gift. How are you? But like I said, I want to know what is happening. There are so many people in my house, but they don't let me see anything. नहीं गौरी मैडम ने बोला अभी नहीं देखने का रिवील के टाइम पे देखने
No,
का
see, I know from the team that what you wanted there exactly. You still have to tell me a few more things. I need to understand your design sensibility. I've seen it on your sets, how you design a
but
set and all that. That's different.
That's different.
I want to ask you some questions.
Oh my god, wow.
So I have them right here.
And I give her the
Should we do
hamper
that?
for this?
Once I ask you
Please.
these questions, it's
Start.
like a fun thing.
I'm ready.
Name 3 things you like doing every day. It's not connected, but I'll get some idea.
I love eating my lunch. I love playing with my dog. And I love by 9 p.m. I want to be in bed
Pass
watching
out.
a movie. Watching a movie and pass out by 10. I love it.
So the TV room becomes very important
Yes,
for you.
so
See, Sab, I got some information
See,
from
I want
this
to
question.
eat over there.
Yeah.
I want to play
Chill.
with my children, dog over there, and then chill over there.
Lovely. So great.
Not bad, Gauri.
So what are your favorite shows?
My all-time favorite shows are, different. Bridgerton, I love season 1.
Yeah, I love that.
Loved it.
Do you like that vibe? Victorian.
I love.
So you
love
want to do
it.
that?
Oh my god.
No, that'll be too much
I'll
for
sit
you.
like the queen and have tea over there.
Yeah.
Lovely. Yeah, but yeah, that kind
You know,
of
that kind of
taste,
decor?
yeah.
No, we
Not
can't do
so
that. Actually.
quirky.
We need 5 months for that.
No, that's I must not do.
So
5
you're
months.
not giving me 5 months.
No. So I'm saying something quirky, something
So clean
clean, yeah, like
and peaceful
yes, minimalist.
and no color.
I also like
Or maybe a dash of color.
yeah, like
What about your kids, their hobbies, and how do they keep themselves busy?
okay, my kids are now all 3 have different passions. My one girl loves art
Okay.
and painting, and
So she's going to make the dining messy. So they
she
keep
will
that.
be, yeah. So they would like to do their arts and craft over there.
Ah, okay.
My son loves football, and his matches I don't let him watch in my bedroom because it's very boring to watch at 1 in the night and also. And my third daughter loves her dog and loves grooming her dog, like doing everything
Yeah.
with the dog in the room.
Okay, enough place.
And
for
the
that.
dog loves shaggy things because he
Okay.
thinks his daddy and mommy have come.
Okay, so but what does entertainment mean to you? Like, what you're going to use it as an entertainment room, right?
Yeah, so I would like all of y'all, when y'all come home, I would like y'all to come up for chai, and then there's a table there. We can, sit and chat. It's slightly more intimate than my hall, living
more
room,
comfortable
which is very
and, yeah.
spread out.
Yeah. Name a color that describes your personality. So maybe we can, include that in your design space.
Oh, like that.
Though I've already decided what I'm using,
Okay.
but still.
See, you've seen my house. It's all red and yellow and vibrant. I want it to be like a quieter,
So chill.
maybe little pops of, I don't know,
Okay.
neon or something.
So maybe yellow. That's what I was
Yellow,
thinking.
neon, green.
Maybe a
what-
dash of yellow.
Yeah, yellow is always lovely.
Okay, lovely. Okay, last question.
Okay.
Close your eyes and tell me what your entertainment room looks like.
So it's going to look much bigger than it is. One color palette, not 50 color palette.
Like you
my
have red,
room had.
green, yellow, blue.
Yeah. Also, it will be free of all the kachra that we have used that room for.
Open your eyes.
incongruent things in that. So I wanted to all look like a hotel suite, like
You're getting that.
woo.
So I think it's we have 4 days, Farah. Just only 4 days.
I don't know how
So
you're going to do it.
I don't know how I'm going to do it, but we have to try, and we are going to make
India,
sure.
when they say 4 days, it's 40 days.
So that's where Gauri Khan Designs is going to move in, do your job,
I think I'm going to
And
go for the rest of my house.
be
too.
surprised.
I am going to be. I'm looking forward to this. I just love it.
I've known Farah for all these years, but this is a new side to Farah I'm exploring. Designing a space is such a personal process, and I have to put myself in my client's shoes when I'm creating something, and then balance it out with what I understand the room needs. The end result? Well, we'll have to see.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Could you tell us about your gorgeous home? How did you know it was going to be the one?
Well, my home, when I see it, this is my third home actually. I'd seen pictures of it in a catalog, and I just knew that I wanted it, but it was too expensive. And for almost 2 years, I looked around and tried to find another house, but nothing was matching up to the one I'd seen. And then I guess homes and marriages are made in heaven. So I came to know that the house was going for much lesser than what had been quoted to me. I went to the builder the same day, and the next day I signed the papers and got the house.
And now, on to the makeover. I choose D-Decor to help me make the coziest couch ever. D-Decor's efforts to invest in new colors, design trends, weaves, and finishes ensure that their customers have a wide variety of contemporary styles to choose from year after year. And that's exactly the experience I had with them. So I definitely know for a fact that Farah will enjoy this. Farah is not just an ace filmmaker, but also an ardent film buff and a unique soul. So I wanted her space to reflect her passion for aesthetic and technology. Her family room therefore had to have the best TV that could capture the imagination of those around. And that is why I chose the LG OLED G1 for the room that you could call the heart of her home. Stunning in form, its gallery design allows it to hang flush on the wall, like an exquisite masterpiece. You simply can't take your eyes off it. The LG OLED G1 is also the perfect TV for a detailed-oriented filmmaker like Farah. So now she will not just watch a movie, but be immersed in the vision of its maker. I think this is one addition to her home that she's going to just love.
You and Gauri have been friends for years. What is your favorite thing about her?
Well, I know Gauri literally from the second day, like she got married and Shah Rukh brought her to Goa. We were shooting for Kabhi Haan Kabhi Na, and I met her on a Goa beach. She was free spirit. She was wearing a swimsuit and a sarong, and I think we bonded over in literally in the ocean. And then from then on, it felt like I had met very old college friends or school friends, because we all got along like a house on fire. So I know her from 1990, so which is 32 years. The best thing about Gauri is that she has not changed at all, and that's the very, very good, very rare trait that you find in Bollywood. I mean, with the success and the money and the people fawning over you, and she has remained a middle-class Punjabi girl to date. And I think that for me is the best part about her.
Lastly, what is your message for Gauri?
My message for Gauri, I don't have any message for her. Gauri is doing too well. I'm very proud of her. I know her from the time when she was a young girl who just got married and came from Delhi, and she's doing too good. She's an exceptional mother. She's a great wife. She runs a great house. Her children are beautiful. She handles everything. I've seen her with her parents, her mother, her family. She's very family oriented, and she's a yaro ka yaar. If she's your friend, then she's your friend for life.
I cannot wait to begin the makeover. But first, here's a quick burrito design tip. Real interior design is all about personalization. The design should revolve around your needs, your utility, your preferences, lifestyle. The core of design for your home should be based on the way you use your home. The living area is what the world sees about your family. Hence, it's always a smart move to integrate statement pieces that reflect your personality. Also, you can add a dash of glamour to your living room with elements we call accents. Accents could be any element that stand out. A bold color, statement furniture such as a chair or sofa that dominates the view, or even a centerpiece light. Lastly, don't clutter the area with too much furniture. It's called a living room for a reason. So make sure you're giving yourself a lot of breathing space. And now it's time on Kurlon Dream Homes with me, Gauri Khan, powered by Bonito Designs, where we reveal the final design. Get ready to see Farah's reaction to her brand new entertainment room. I strongly believe that when it comes to redesigning, you must retain those elements that are working well for a space, both in terms of comfort and design. A TV room needs a comfortable sofa, but Farah already has that. So we retained the sofa and refurbished it.
Whose house am I in? Oh my God, this was a horrible, boring wall. Look at this wallpaper. Gauri, you have outdone yourself. I can't recognize this room. Fantastic.
The room needed character. Hence, to add color and life into the space, we just added some artwork, plants, and a tropical wallpaper. I removed all the clutter from the room. So there is more space to just move around. This way Farah has an entertainment room and the kids have an activity room.
Oh my God, look at this couch. I feel I'm in a home in Italy. Just, who's going to enjoy this? My dog. And I can sit here, I can lie down and I can watch my TV. Oh my God, I just love this. It's fantastic. What is this? My God, there's a hamper from Kurlon. And Gauri's note, you never fail to entertain me with your personality and talent. Thank you, Gauri. Hope you love your entertainment room. I love it. And thank you, Kurlon, for this lovely hamper. Oh, wait. There's an iPad. Do I get an iPad also? Oh, I have to play Gauri's message.
Hi, Farah. Thank you for trusting me with your family room. I had a lot of fun designing it, and I hope you and the family have even more fun using it.
Gauri, I'm going to love this room. I'm going to live in this room. Wait, I want to see more of it. I think I am overwhelmed with what this space was and what it has become, Gauri. I think you have to start doing magic shows because you're a magician. You're not a designer. Look at this space and look what it was. Earlier, I was living in Lokhandwala and now I'm living in Italy. Can't believe this is my old table which Gauri has redone oh my God, it's looking like a brand new dining area. We used to have some radhi steel ka chairs over here and just look at these fancy chairs. Now we are really going to enjoy eating our dinner over here. I think it's wonderful. I'm going to enjoy the space. I'm going to entertain over here. My family is going to enjoy. Actually, it was a family room which nobody used and now we are going to use it. I know who's going to love it the most, my husband, even though he doesn't say it, because he used to never sit in this room. I think he found it too kitschy and too jarring for his taste. And this he's going to love the plants because he's been telling me for years, we need plants in the house, and I'm like, no. But just look at what Gauri's done. Look at the beautiful planters. I mean, they themselves are a piece of art. But now I feel it's like really, it's an oasis of the house, so it's like a greenhouse. It's beautiful. It's really like somewhere we can all come and relax. You can't really be bored in this room. So if I want to watch my shows, my son wants to watch his football, or even if we want to eat dinner over here, which we rarely do because we just never use this room. But now I think it's like having a new, fresh house. And I've said this earlier also, if my house is a movie, then this room is the icon song.
Hi guys, and now we come to the part of the show where I give you some pro tips on how you turn your home into a dream home. When designing bathrooms, the tiniest details can elevate the space. So choose the faucets, showers, and fittings carefully. Delta has a variety of designs, textures, and colors to complement the overall decor of your home. Bathrooms these days are also getting increasingly high-tech, which in turn saves resources and money. Delta's H2O Kinetic technology is one such feature which brings you a richly rejuvenating showering experience, giving you the feeling of more water without using more water. So don't shy away from going high-tech. It makes life easier and optimal. Our episode today was all about design that brings the family together. Honestly, nothing makes me happier than to see my work become an integral part of my clients' memory. See you in the next episode of Kurlon Dream Homes with me, Gauri Khan, powered by Bonito Designs, where we meet a new celebrity and design them a new space.